Ebusia na mama yɛhwɛ sɛnea yɛbɛ edit sa title we say ewo vMix title designer ne mu. Okay, sa title we this particular title. So when download the streaming asset na your preset na as a template na or download from obitechsolution.com website ne so okay. Very soon no matter say na be ya obet me download this when download ya. Okay. Okay, in timpacho BOGT title designer no as usual we click sa 3 lines ya down here so na wa click GT title designer. Inti say ubedru ho na say empty say ya you be so be clicking on file na wa clicking on open. Now I call baby who save we streaming assets ne to ye no me template na say preset no baby who save it to ye no ti say uko bi mu a obenya brebi say na we be titles ne mu de edit ye ne no ene na ye first one no address and additional information no obe click so now I clicking on open and as obe double click so ebe be say e dey bro background we say ye nje background we hunti pese some background no to send ye ne ye pa o click background ni so say ya okay na wako pictures ni mu aha o click pictures ni mu say ya na wako clicking on the color kon pese we use it maybe this color so na sasa color na ff to send ye wo pen right so pese sasa color bi o ha say ya e bi a o pese sasa way to red o click here say ya na why you know red and as a be away so person in red and na bibisa no so why and sa and I mean you has say no this same color sebeboa me hade and yet that appealing t or maybe this one with me I drag away no to this side kakra with me enya rectangle now has seen so I click it this o clicking it say yeah and then you can change the color no na shade. Okay, does it look okay to you? If not, na why you home baby? It means it's a color no. This one, a bias a BBC and our pa, which me a yen is pepe. But me go back to the default one no. Until I have seen no menya no black and for the test ne day. Once a sun color no hampa, ubit me akwa sun color no. Ewo GT title design him. Okay, until after say was send this color we no so be a person say middle color na I say kite shape na ye white no and so bit me asesa nti so click so like that na akọ pictures no na colors no na we changing it to anyone bia ope so nti with that no is a course color we ya every my test color no enye fine nti we can say test color no click so na confirm maybe white like this. Okay, ni bia we so no you see white man on say no so am different feel this say bribi say and our pa why any say we and then you can go ahead and then save it. Okay, enti see I say open so save here over click on file ne so be na wa click on save but say o click save ni so a be replace original one na e wo hold da no any problem anytime be out miss color into anything na will pay bia but say one person e be replace original one na click on the save as and so na saving with a din for never to baby for into a din person to so be okay all the info went into desktop when say be new address title and so lower third I feel we are go back to vMix. Now I click add input. Now click title. Now click browse. Now call desktop ho. Now click the we save here no. Now click open. I better or recent titles in him. Now double click so now so I click so back ho. Now I click on okay. You see, and about her say no. Okay. It is a bedu ha information I will pay bia no. Utimi esesa ede information bia foforo bia ede hye ho nti yemfa ne say you see way for news item. Okay, for news nti interest news in and I say maybe trending. Okay, news in and trending and I say the episode show bia or bia. Okay, now yanko additional text we say no additional info no The additional info no menko online portal base no kofa news bi. Okay, nti yemfa ne say news we na ye use a yemfa ne say 2026 media budget back into your vMix na we replace here no ewa ha say. Okay, na wasan so go back akofa the other titles na aka no na no so no what they be share additional information ho no aha say na what they share ho. Okay, and na nti yen hwese na ye. Okay, nti bia pese eba we nso ba middle a utimi ni saying ema space all the keys are to each there no ema space bebre need to me shift it to the other side you know. Yen text no your copy no in small letters nti bia pese throw in capital letters na wan kasa what type in capital letters. So okay, additional information no no box ne so nti betimi contain a lot of text nti bia dia wo tro ne dos one nyina ebeko additional information nim right and as say test na wa tro no eye akese sense ne hu na obe click plus icon you so o click so a bon say test no eye akese sene etie na so nti we no ebetimi asamba echi kakra aka ho good and yanko additional info we say na no say manenye kese kakra sense ne net first no aha say no obetumi asesa color no to color bia ope. Okay inti yemfa ne say address color no yes sana in red this all click say no be click was ade we so we color click so and then no kofa color kwa open me you see red no I click on okay on say I red. So that's it we are now we're closing now the see between display what screen is so like this. Okay it's yes sana edit sa particular title no GT title design name GT title design name no we any dia obe yes bia e was from too much obe click to say I mean settings and so now what drag it aba form kakra. Okay emo refi say bia wo squeeze back and na mase ha say to be so be adjusting na aye pepe. Okay so just you see how it is on say it looking very nice, looking nice. Sebia yanhwe say be red and iron black na yanhwe I mean address you know news in no yan click color ne so na yan call black color na yanhwe because it's and I need blue na yanhwe blue this one maybe and one thing yes Samsung go back to the GT title design name na yanhwe there. Say who steady test where additional information we no additional test information no say who steady I say me nyaaya enka in delay kakra na animation no in delay kakra what they show minimum say who dia okay I say in delay kakra nti me click delay ni so sorry me click test ni so na mako into the animations na mabaha say on see actual delay wa ha na ma click delay ni so aha say number. Okay me click drop down so na ma fa 0.5 I mean say in delay kakra 0.5 seconds. This is okay. This is okay for me. Until we are no we save. We dey save and kasa na nko replace new one na why no. Click on save. Right? You be copy me so na save it that until they refresh nekeke. Just reload. A bit is sending ya no pepe. So look at it. Very nice. Very very nice. Okay, edit title na ewo streaming asset name no. It is streaming asset no meaning say what download it that. So when you download it send the DM na me fa link ni mo na fa download it and I say join it Obitech solution platform no. We join the community na ewo ho ma also between download it. Me ba na be ka ho asemacho. So the particular one na edit no we say address and additional information. This one address and additional information we yana editing to say oh download dia obenya we mu nyina different titles different things say we mu which we edit na e look professional too or brand no send open no. Okay ntino pretty simple. All right send me kind say we need be send a DM na memfa link and send and I say call obitechsolution.com. Say na what here. Obitechsolution.com. I say it here. .com. obitechsolution.com. Say oba hwa obehunu baby say. Now I clicking on login. Clicking login now I click create account. Create account. Okay. Now with the information ashe ho din or email address or password. Now I clicking on create account. Email now you see what I say notification. Verification best send it across our email name. Now I click on verify to verify the email. Okay. And I say you see Google icon here that o click Google on this one. A very director ako o Google no account name any account be available we very direct to the account no na otimi a click any email we person you see be ne so na the wo akwa register o sign up we are now o verify email now no log in. Okay, say na was we upgrade account no e was we upgrade with the basic 50 cedis a month because the different things egu hono different kind of links eko hono and I answer all sort of questions say hono the different kinds of video any found by social media edi egu hono any the advanced questions be any advanced videos be any hono attend to a lot of things are coming. Okay, and pro version and so with the pro no so pro things and I want to I recommend they say we subscribe to the pro. So any of them our person will subscribe biano. Now we click upgrade to pro. We click on the upgrade to pro now with me upgrade your account now. So upgrade your account in the that's all logging in now. Broad dashboard in this one. Say video now part. We want to see I try say VOD pro and I say VOD basic. My person ka ye pro na nka because pro no there. Unlike baby. Okay, good. Nti se obemu a videos ahodo ebre hono ma obetimi ahwe. Okay, and I say open say o download the links na oba click on community. Oba community hono I say community ni your free page or free community room hono mo. Nti hwe hono public lounge hono. Okay, nti on say obi bisa question be we say open Premiere Pro. We say open Premiere Pro setup. And administrator na no say I just say or your pro member and sign on your Premiere Pro no. Okay, yes, into sanity. So basic room ni mo which me download a lot of things in her into preset in any premium live production template and any o click so no I download it. We updated squeeze back and updated one. So we pro mastermind in my has na me de me yanko bi an one because I had the on lucky bibia de opebia no sapeka